we heard. So we just heard gunshots 4 times, and the police are here. So, and I'm not actually lying. If you can see that car. And there go the police car, bro. Look at the police car, bro. Look at the police. Bro. That's crazy. Bro, what the fuck? They're searching for the weapon. They're actually searching for the gun. Why would somebody actually drop a gun? It was a white car though. But like, I would have got this on camera. But like the police are actually here. If you can like see the guy right there by the car, right there. Bro, they think they're gonna find the weapon, but the guy who did a drive-by actually has the weapon. 4 gunshots in one night. Bro, look. You can see the ground with flashing lights. Bro. I'll give you information about what's gonna go on next. But stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below saying you enjoyed the video. And yeah, guys. Say that. Okay, y'all. I'll catch y'all on an update.